Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation are rapidly changing the way content is created and distributed. These technologies are transforming the way we think about content creation and are having a significant impact on the industry as a whole. One of the biggest impacts of AI and automation on the content creation industry is the ability to generate large amounts of content quickly and efficiently. With the help of AI-powered tools, content creators can now produce high-quality content at a fraction of the time it would take to create manually. This is particularly useful for tasks such as data entry, research, and fact-checking, which can be time-consuming and tedious. Another impact of AI and automation on content creation is the ability to personalize content. By analyzing data on individual users, AI-powered tools can tailor content to specific audiences. This enables content creators to reach the right people with the right message at the right time, increasing the chances of engagement and conversion. In addition, AI and automation are also helping to improve the quality of content. For example, AI-powered tools can analyze data and trends to identify the most popular topics, keywords, and formats, which can help content creators create more engaging and effective content. Additionally, AI can also help improve the accuracy of information and reduce the risk of errors, which is particularly important in industries such as finance and healthcare. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI and automation on the content creation industry. One concern is that these technologies could lead to job losses as machines take over tasks that were previously performed by humans. Additionally, there is a fear that AI-generated content may lack the creativity and personal touch that is often associated with human-generated content. Despite these concerns, the future of the content creation industry looks bright with the integration of AI and automation. As technology continues to advance, it is likely that we will see even more ways in which AI and automation can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of content creation. Moreover, AI and automation can also be a valuable asset to support human content creators in their work, not replace them. AI can help to speed up the process of content creation and to generate ideas, but the final touch and the creativity should always come from the human being. In conclusion, the impact of AI and automation on the content creation industry is significant and far-reaching. These technologies are helping to improve the speed and efficiency of content creation, as well as the quality and personalization of content. While there are concerns about job losses and lack of creativity, the integration of AI and automation in the content creation industry is ultimately a positive development that will help to improve the way we create and consume content.